first thing we can try is going to edit site header, and if you go to style, if you wanted to, you could, if you wanted it to not be like, I'll show you. You can make it like a gradient, and that might help you be able to see things a little bit better. So that's one way you could achieve that. And then navigation color, you can change that to be whatever color you want. That might actually be your best option. Otherwise, if you really want it to be like super bold, I guess, if you go to solid, that'll do it. So I would probably say gradient is our best bet. Navigation color is good. You could even do a drop shadow, but we'll leave that. Also, I think you talked about the spacing. So if you go to that little computer, you can change the spacing. You can make it so that so right now what's happening is it's all justified right. So if we go to this right here, this is how the layout is. Instead, if you want the menu to be in the center, click this one. And then you'll have to go to vertical padding. Oop, that's not what I wanted. Honestly, it's a lot of just fiddling around with things. Why is that overlapping? Well, let's check it on mobile really quick and make sure things look good. We'll go save. Home, biblical. Okay, so that looks good. So then my next way of solving this line situation would be going to site styles under design. Let's go to fonts. So that's how we get line height. So I'm not sure. I mean, we can try to shove it all like in one row. One way to make it go in one row is to make the site navigation size go down. But then it's getting pretty small. So I kind of like that size. You could also make the letter spacing down a little bit, but again, I like it to look kind of normal. Also, if you want it to be a little bit darker, this Adele is like your font throughout the website, but I changed it to just a different font that's also a sans serif, and then that one allows us to make it darker. Okay, so let's go back to editing this site header and see if I can put it all in one line and make it look okay. So if we go to that little computer again, we'll make the link spacing less, and there you go. So if you want it to be bigger, again, you can go back to the site styles, but hopefully this helped you, and let me know if you have any other questions.